Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very important information that's available with me. So most probably CA Foundation as well as CA final results of January 2021 attempt may get announced on March 21st, 2021, my dear students. It's a most probable date. No one is sure about the exact date, but it's the most probable date. This is point number one. By the way, my dear students, for the CA Foundation students who may get failed in the results of March 2021, that is scheduled to be announced on March 21st, 2021, we are providing following services. Number one, crash batch physically is available in Guntur. Crash batch is available in online mode, and students of any of our branches can take admission for that. Similarly, study hours and revision exams batch will be available in Guntur as well as all our branches for CA Foundation students who get failed in the results of March 2021. This is a separate schedule. It's no way connected with the earlier schedule. Now coming to CA final. So CA final results of January 2021 attempt may also get announced on March 21st, 2021 itself, my dear students. Even for CA final students who may get failed in the results of March 2021, we are offering study hours and revision exams batches in all our branches in Guntur as well as all our branches. It's a completely different schedule. Separate schedule will be available for the students of Group 1 as well as Group 2 under new syllabus only. We are not planning any schedule for the students of both groups since the available time is very less. We are not planning any schedule for the students of old syllabus. So we are planning schedule only for the students of new syllabus. And this study hours and revision exams schedule will be available in all our branches including Guntur. Either the students of CA Foundation or the students of CA Final, if you are not interested to attend the study hours and revision exams physically, then you can join for these revision exams in online mode. It's called Masterminds Test Series, where schedule will be given and you can write these examinations right from your home. So all these services are available. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever we upload a new video. And if you want to join for any of the services in Masterminds, details are available in the description of this video. So don't forget to install our Masterminds online classes app, Android app. So lot of useful services and videos are available in that app. You can install the app, you can purchase the videos, and you can start watching those videos on your own without any human intervention. If you have any academic doubts, you can send a mail to me. So my mail ID is already given in the description of this video. With respect to the results of IPCC and CA interest students, right now I don't have authentic information. Once I have authentic information, I'll inform the same to you. But most probably they may get announced somewhere between March 25th to March 27th. This is what the information I have right now. Once I receive the authentic information, I'll make a video on that also.